Dock brings back iOS dock to iOS 13. Themer and simple, powerful theme engine allows you to theme most of your device. So you have all these things you guys could theme. So some screenshots of it. The Illuminator and dark mode for the web. Supports iOS 13 through 13.1 through iOS 16.2. No, got stuck. Dark mode for the web. You guys can read it for yourself. It's for iOS 13 and pretty much like a dark mode for your device. Supports iOS 13 to 14.2. Clock, the O is a 0 by Fotsport Mobile, which is an amazing developer. It does support iOS 14.3 up to 15.7.1. It's an A11 touchscreen device like the iPhone 8 or the iPhone X, along with the 810 power range devices, for example, the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, that cannot have a passcode or Face ID or Touch ID. So this tweak is a tweak for you. So it gives you that passcode and biometric capabilities. So it allows you to set native passcodes, launch your device with Face ID or Touch ID, autofill passwords in Safari, and support apps using Face ID or Touch ID. Use Face ID, Touch ID for biometric authentication in third-party apps. And yeah, compatible with other tweets like biometric authentication and feature tweets. Sign in with Apple using Face ID or Touch ID. Provides passcode or Touch ID protection when adding VPN configurations. So software apps from the App Store. For apps, you can use your App ID password and hide notifications text when device is locked, and support for viewing, deleting protected notes with Face ID or Touch ID. So yeah, pretty cool. Highly recommend this tweak. Oh yes, it says that you technically could, obviously if you do reboot your device and it's not in jailbroken state, tweaks will not work. So your friends can technically get, like, I guess, access to your device if you do reboot it. But it says the probability is very, or your friend or colleague doing this is very low because they think that you already have your password, Touch ID, or Face ID, and hence you won't realize that the only API code is in jailbroken mode. So technically they could do that, like turn your device automatically on when it's non-jailbreak status, and you technically could access it without a passcode. But I mean, let's be real, most people are never going to realize that. And you do have some questions and Q&As you guys can read for yourself. GS Weather and Weather Fetching Library for Jinsu's tweets. At we have GS Comment support package for Jinsu's tweets. Supports iOS 13 to 15.9. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in this one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.